Here you go, cleaning those chitlins. I told you, y'all. Now we got 12 pounds, which is 6.5 kilos in you guys, but in America it's 12 pounds. We got 12 pounds a kilo, and that's 6.5 kilos to y'all. Now this is the junk out of it, and these are the real chitlins, and we still got a little bit more. You know, then she's gonna cut the hog maws, show that. But I told you I was getting these chitlins, boy. See that?
So when you eat, it stinks. But this one is good because you take out all the this is 3 kilo. So you eat only 3 kilo. This one is more than, I think this one is 4 kilo. Look at that, see? It's a member, right?
Mm-hmm. And you guys, I taught her that. See, she was cooking them the old-fashioned way. She didn't know nothing about peeling them. And I had to teach her how black folks do it. You know, from the South, how we do it. This is how we clean chitlins. They used to just keep all the dirt on it. Can you imagine that? Yeah. So hey, y'all, see all of that? Oof. All right, you guys, we out. Yeah, simple chitlins. Give me some water. You know.
Woo! How long is this? How long? 8 o'clock? Look at it, guys. Nice bad food.
10 o'clock at night.
10 o'clock?
They want to be validated by a version of themselves that doesn't actually exist. The mirror problem. When people can't look in the mirror, it's usually because of internal dissonance. They are living overstimulation and physical uselessness. When a person has no atmosphere of their own, no partner, no craft, no garden,
the older generation has so much experience that they can bring to the